What's up now, crew? What's oh, before I even get into this video, peep my shirt, yeah. This is so premature. I wasn't supposed to wear my merch until everything came in because you know I want to do a little giveaway and stuff, but the sweat top came in early and I was like, forget it, I gotta wear it. So this is what the front looks like. The back, man, I'll insert a picture on what the back looks like, but oh my god, and it's a rainy day, so normally when it rains, I'm not happy when it rains, you know what I mean? But I was happy that it was raining today because that gave me an excuse to wear my sweat top. Oh my gosh, I also ordered the face mask, I ordered the fanny pack. Ooh, I think that's all I ordered. But yeah, when everything comes in, you know I'm gonna show y'all. I'm so excited about it. All right, I'm looking for chapstick, y'all. So anyway, I just woke up. I don't know how I'm so energetic like this. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But because I don't sleep. Y'all know I got insomnia. I should not be this lit, but I am. So anyway, I'm on my way to Esther's house. Where is my chapstick? I'm on the way to Esther's house because I'm taking her to one of my favorite nail shops. And to get into this nail shop, you need a license. So she doesn't have a license yet. We're working on it. So I'm going to take her and we're just going to have a little fun nail haul. Like, it's just going to be so fun. Hold on, let me fix my camera. You know when you record on your phone, y'all, you get some challenges. But yeah, so anyway, I'm super excited about that because she's going to have content to do a nail vlog and a nail haul, right? So yeah, we're gonna have fun. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun. So why not just bring the nail crew along for the ride? All right, that's it. That's all I want to say. Just want to give you guys a little bit of an intro as to what's happening today. So I'm on the way to go pick her up. We're going to go to the nail shop. We're going to shop. We're probably going to eat and just gossip. And you know what ladies do when we get together. We eat, we have fun. Yeah, so that's it. But I want to bring you guys along with me. So yeah. It's raining. Come on, Esther. Oh my gosh. Put my mask on before I get in here. Esther, come on. We're in a magical place called the nail supply store. Turn your phone sideways. Record like that. Because it fills up the whole screen. She's vlogging, you guys. She doesn't know the simple things like keeping the phone horizontal. Oh gosh, I just want everything. Right. Literally. 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 Oh, look. Look at this. Look. Esther, I need you to see this and get excited.
Look at that.
I never really used this brand. ANC. I think these are just loose glitters, so there's no acrylic or anything in them.
Oh yeah, right. And it comes with the polish tomorrow.
Yeah, so you can do anything you want with them. So cute. But I wouldn't buy that from here. I would just buy loose glitter from like the craft store. But they are very pretty. Very, very pretty.
This is what I call heaven.
Right. Oh my god.
See the lights.
Beautiful. Look, they have the phone sterilizer. Cool. Whoever could translate for me, tell me what these people are saying. Let me know. Are they talking about me?
What's the D&D? Like a
That's just a brand.
brand.
Do you need one of these?
Yes, I do.
Popsicle sticks so that you can make.
Are we going for the other one?
We can. Look at these. Can't even focus because it's so glittery. That blue one is really pretty. Going to another nail supply store because they was in there trying to gouge us on prices. I know how much things cost because I've been in there plenty times, and she want to tell me things are 75 cents when they should be 50 cents, and it's labeled 50 cents. She said the label is wrong. How is the label wrong? Esther! How is the label wrong? And I've been there several times and I know how much it should cost. I was like, nah, put it back. Put it back! So we don't have to wait. We on the way to another place. We found another place. We found another place, y'all.
Thank you.
Alright. So far the people in here are nicer. And their stuff is priced, like it's labeled. Look. At the other place, some of the stuff was labeled, but then they still said it was labeled wrong. I'm upset, Esther. I'm upset. They hurt my feelings because I've been a loyal customer for them for so long, and they still did me that way. I was like, put it all back. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Empty my cart out. I'm gone. Oh man, look, everything priced, labels. You see that? You see that?
Yes, that's business.
That's business. The other place, y'all could kick rocks. Priced.
And eat glass.
Look at that. Look at that. You say kick rocks and eat glass?
Eat glass as well.
Stub your toe. Kick the rock, stub your toe, then swallow the glass.
We don't fucking like it.
Cause y'all really just pissed me off.
Because we don't fucking like it. Oh look, I could buy extras.
Yeah, extras to do swatches.
The pointy.
Yeah.
Ooh, I think I want one. Just because they're pointy and pretty.
Yeah. I think I have a few at home. I love a good coarse file, y'all.
What? That should make it turns me on.
Yeah. Nail files turn you on? I don't need all that. Actually, I have 2 face shields at home. I don't use it though, clearly. Oh, hello, ma'am.
Excuse me. Hi.
Ooh. Coarse nail files. I like that.
I'm just so expensive for those. Look at these. You seen these flower design brushes? They got a whole set.
I probably still couldn't do a flower with them. I probably still mess it up.
Who you telling?
Still look a hot mess.
I use the poly gel brush for the job.
Yeah, I do too, actually.
It's fine. Stop. The heart.
Yeah, that's really cute. But that's not
dirty.
That's not a dap and dish for powder.
Oh.
It's
so
too
what's
wide.
The dap and dish?
This is a dap and dish. Yeah. You see how you could actually fill it with liquid? Yeah, that's really cute.
But this is cute too. How much is this? $4. This one's cute. Look.
Oh, that looks almost like mine. You get that one. How much is it?
This is cute. $4.
$4.
What is the middle like that?
Oh my God.
Just makes it iridescent.
Makes it pretty. This is almost like mine. Get on here. Always looking at man. All right, y'all. So we went shopping at the nail supply store. We got a lot of goodies, And now we're at Target in the glitter section because you guys know Target has the best glitters. Come take a look. I have like almost all of these glitters, but I don't have this one. So I'm getting this one. Ooh, I need that in my life. Definitely. That's pretty.
Because I don't like
gold. Look, I like the green though.
I don't like gold, but these are my what do you call it?
Iridescent?
Yes, with the little unicorn glitter.
You like this green?
These are pretty.
420 nails.
Yeah, it's nice.
Jaden just texted me and asked me could she get some eyelashes. Girl, oh, look how pretty this is. I'm getting this too. I'm getting these too. I need them in my life. Yeah, this is beautiful. And this is beautiful too. And I feel like that's the only two that I don't have from here. And you get a lot for $3.99, y'all. Totally worth it. I feel like these are totally worth it. Oh, those are pretty too. Oh my God. Okay, hold on. Let me put these down. These are so pretty. These are so pretty. What the hell? Oh my gosh. Okay. I gotta put the phone down, y'all. Nail crew. I'll check back in a little bit. I cannot pick up a lot of glitter with the phone in my hand recording at the same time. So y'all got to go. 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 Look at Sakani. Hi. Hi. He said, I know I'm cute. Hi. Bye-bye.